Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JEE NEET. Hydrocarbons in the alkanes chapter JEE previous year's questions we are going to discuss now. Question number 1, 2019 question it is. In the following skew conformation of ethane, H C C H double dash dihedral angle is, see here H dash is this one, this angle is asking H double dash here, this bond angle is asking. See, from this H dash to H it is 120 degrees, it is 120. So this H and H here 29 means this one also it will be 29. So 120 plus 29, that is 149. So your answer will be B. Very simple questions. Then question number 2. Here question number 2 and 3 both are there. Which of these factors does not govern the stability of conformation in cyclic compounds? Question number 2. Electrostatic force of it. See, first of all, you have to understand the question. Which of the factor does not govern the stability of conformations in acyclic compound? We know that some cyclic compounds are there. Suppose cyclohexane, cyclopropane, these are the cyclic compounds. Then acyclic compounds, so ethane is there, just example is ethane. Okay, CH3, ethane. See, these forces means we have to write these staggered eclipsed conformations, we have to write it. Okay, I written here staggered conformation. Now, electrostatic force of interaction and torsional strain, angle strain, steric interaction. Steric interaction due to bulky groups hota hai. Here big group is there, here big group is there, CH3 group is there. Steric indents will be present. ये दोनों के बीच में होता है. Here also steric indents, suppose big group is there, methyl. This is called axial. Okay. The another one is called equatorial. Suppose if it is there equatorial. So the equatorial is more stable. It is a stable because this axial may here repulsions are there. Okay. Here hydrogen is there. Here repulsions are there. Here there is no repulsion. It is away from this chain. So it is more stable. So steric indents तो दोनों में exist है. कहाँ steric indents? ये दोनों में exist है. Two compounds में exist है. Angle strain. See, angle strain जो dihedral angle है इधर, लेकिन angle strain कुछ है ही नहीं है. लेकिन cyclic compounds में angle strain है. Here 60 degrees. Here 109. अभी if you take a cyclobutane here 90 degrees. So angle strain is there. Angle strain के हिसाब से in the cyclic compounds 109.5 degrees bond angle is there. Those are the stable compounds. Variation from this 109, if it is more, then instability is increasing. So here 109 to 60, so much variation, approximately 50 is variation. That's why cyclopropane is unstable compared to cyclobutane little bit more stable. Then cyclopentane is more stable. This bond angle is approximately 104.5 something, 105 approximately. So in the cyclohexane, that is 109.5 only because due to this chair form. So final conclusion is angle strain is there. In case of cyclic compounds. So angle strain उसमें है, एक ही compound में है, लेकिन इसमें angle strain कुछ नहीं है. कभी भी rotate करो here 120 degrees only. There is no change in that 120 degrees. So answer is C. Again, once you read the question, which of the factor does not govern the stability of conformations in acyclic compound? ये acyclic compound का conformation है, इसमें बॉन्ड एंगल स्ट्रेन का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, स्टीरिक इंडेक्स का है तो है, टॉर्जनल स्ट्रेन इज देयर, टॉर्जनल स्ट्रेन मतलब ये सिग्मा बॉन्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन, दिस सिग्मा बॉन्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन दोनों के बीच में रिपल्शन होता है. देन इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्सेस ऑफ इंटरेक्शन, ऑफ कोर्स वो भी है, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्सेस, सपोज हियर OH एंड OH इज देयर, ठीक है, ये हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड इज देयर, सो दिस इज द गौशे बोलते, GAUCHE, Gauche. This is the stable due to hydrogen bond. That means this electrostatic force of interaction also present. एक angle strain तो नहीं है, that is the, so C is the answer. C is the answer. Next, in the third, in case of third, isomers of hexane based on their branching can be divided into 3 distinct classes shown. Okay, so what is the finally asking that isomers of hexane based on their branching can be divided into 3 distinct classes is shown in the figure. Okay, so here depends on the surface area is changing, so the boiling point will be changes. So the third boiling point is higher because surface area is more than second, then 1. Okay, here 6 membered ring, 1 2 3 4 5, 6 membered ring here, 1 2 3 4 membered ring, this one is 4 5 membered ring. So the correct order of their boiling points. Boiling point is asking, so boiling point, surface area is more, so boiling point is more. Boiling point is directly proportional to surface area. Boiling point is directly proportional to surface area. Okay, next. So answer is D. Answer is D. Third has higher boiling point than, sorry, not D, third 2 1, so B is the answer. Third is higher boiling point, then second, then first. Okay, next, fourth one, the chlorination is there and isomeric products. How many isomeric products are possible here is asking. See here, this is the A-type carbon, this is the also A-type carbon, not visible, A-type, and this one also A-type. Here it is a B-type, C and D. What is this A, B, C, D? If you put the chlorine here, that is one product, X product. Then if you substitute here the chlorine, another product it is giving. If you keep the chlorine here at C position, it is giving another product. Like that, total 4 compounds are there. But here 2 questions are there, N isomeric products and fractional distillation. Okay, these all 4 compounds are there, 4 different boiling points, so M equal to 4 होगा. ठीक है, I will write it here, that 4 products here, CH2Cl, A product over, then here I am writing B, then I am writing here C, then I am writing here D. Okay, this A, B, C, D में any isomers are there, once you have to check it, these isomers, any chiral carbon is there, this is the chiral carbon. Chiral carbon मतलब all 4 different groups attached with same carbon. This carbon is called chiral carbon or chiral carbon बोलते हैं. So whenever chiral carbon is there, it can exist L isomer and D isomer. So here 2 isomers are possible. Next here this is the both are methyl groups, that's why not possible. Then here, I think here also possible. Yes. Here one hydrogen is there, methyl, chlorine, other group. Here also L and D possible. Next here there is no choices. Okay, total 4 and plus 2. Total 6 isomers, 6 compounds are forming including isomers. So N value will be 6. N equal to 6, M equal to 4 only. Why? Because this L comma D compounds का melting and boiling point will be same. Fractional distillation में boiling point should be vary. Then only we can distinguish. So boiling point is same boiling point. Here also boiling point will be same. That's why after fractional distillation we will get only 4 types of compounds, but actually 6 compounds are there. So your answer will be N is 6, M is 4. So your answer will be B. Your answer will be B. Next, 1-bromo 3-chloro-cyclobutane. First you write the structure. Cyclobutane, 1-bromo 3-chloro, 1, 2, 3. Third position chloro, butane. When treated with 2 equivalents of sodium in the presence of ether, that means Urge reaction. Urge reaction. What is the Urge reaction here? 2 halogens को combine करते हैं in the presence of sodium. Just you remove this Br and remove this chlorine. Just you join this. So here new bond is forming. So your answer will be D. Your answer will be D. It is a Urge reaction. Urge reaction generally we will write like this: 2 moles of Rx in the sodium ether. It is giving R dash R. So alkanes are forming like this. So what's happening here? We are taking Rx. This XX is releasing. This RR is connecting. So similarly here XX releasing, this carbon and this carbon is connected. So final answer is D. Next, consider the following reactions. Your reaction here, Br radical is there. The Br radical where it will attack. Generally chlorine radical and Br radical में Br is more selective. So इतना selection power है 1:70 1500. What is this? Primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, suppose if you have around 1500 or 1600 hydrogens, उसमें 1500 times or 1500 molecules में bromine will attack at tertiary position. Only 70 molecules में secondary position में only 1 molecule में primary position में attack होता है. So obviously here tertiary is the this one. Tertiary, this one is the secondary. This is the primary. So this bromine will attack here. So attack होने के लिए ready होना चाहिए तो free radical, at least forming free radical. उसके बाद attack होगा. So your answer will be B. So we discussed up to 2019 to we discussed here 2019 to 2000 all alkanes or saturated hydrocarbons questions. Okay, saturated hydrocarbon JEE questions. Okay, in the next video we can discuss unsaturated hydrocarbons, that means alkenes and alkynes. Bye.